Welcome into another 99 Bitcoins video. We're looking at Pepe, which has recently gone into price discovery because it's hit a new all-time high. Are we going to get further continuation for Pepe? This is one of my favorite meme coins in the crypto space right now, and I really do think it's got a lot more potential than other meme coins such as Shiba or Dogecoin here. At the moment, it's sitting at $5.75 billion market cap, and it did recently scrape into the $6 billion mark. And I just kind of want to talk about what's going on with Pepe, because we've got 100% supply, things looking good, there's no inflation, there's no token dilution. And we also had something very recent which just passed, which is the US House, which passes the FIT21 crypto bill. So the bill had long been expected to pass at this level of the process. Conversely, the legislation will now be sent to the Senate. There, its ultimate fate becomes a little less clear. However, the House of Representatives have reportedly held increased talks with Senate members to initiate progress. So basically, the adoption of crypto and the hostility towards crypto should be alleviated more. And you can see here, look, House passes Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act. So basically, since Donald Trump recently announced cryptocurrency would be accepted in fundraising efforts, Biden recently noted his willingness to engage with Congress on a balanced regulatory framework. So hopefully business owners and wealthy individuals will stay in America, especially once you dabble into blockchain, and will not have to feel like they have to leave. And I think that's very much happening in the UK. Lots of wealthy people are leaving the UK due to the insane taxations and the red tape and bureaucracy surrounding some cryptocurrencies. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a crazy space, and I think, trying to control something 20 years late is a little bit cheeky, but hey-ho, it's just how it goes, right? So Pepe sitting at $0.000013666, guys. We can see today we're seeing some red candles here for Pepe coin. In fact, we've had, just over the last 4 hours, 4 red candles in a consecutive flow, but it doesn't mean we're going to see a real drop here for Pepe coin. We've had a fantastic run over the last few days, as you can see. Can't really complain, sitting at this beautiful new price discovery territory. It's still a price discovery region, so yes, we could indeed come back down and retest like maybe the 20-day moving average. I think if we do come down, retest that 20-day moving average, it could be another time to sort of buy into Pepe, but I do think maybe we could correct down to that 0.6 and 0.786 Fibonacci region, which is going to take the coin back down to around the 11 mark. If that happened, it could indeed also trigger another potential area for accumulation and buying, and may even produce another wave up to the 16 region. So we want to stay above that 20-day moving average on our Bollingers. On our Bollinger Bands here, we are actually right at the top. So we're definitely in a strong uptrend, and the trajectory does look indeed really bullish. So yeah, overall Pepe is looking good. And I think just looking at Pepe, the fact it's got a $6 billion-ish market capital, we could see a 3x here for this coin, taking it to around the $20 billion mark, absolutely, by the the peak of the bull run. So a lot of big expectation for this coin right here, and it's just really the start. We've not really seen the mania yet. We've not seen the real bull run yet, the real rush here for overall meme coins, and even Bitcoin itself. Just sitting at $70,000 tells me that we still got quite a long way to go. Of course, we could just see Pepe go wild, and it could just break to the upside like really frantically. But right now, it is coming back down. It is kind of in touch with these diagonal support levels, and we are showing a little bit sign of weakness following the all-time high. I think it's just cooling down a little bit. As you can see, it's breaking down out of this fallen wedge, and we're not getting the bounce we're hoping for. This looked like a triple top, which is a bearish reversal pattern. You've got the left shoulder, you've got the middle, and then you've got the right. So it's a bit of like an M shape, but obviously with 3 tops, so that can usually be bearish. But right now, wouldn't really say there's too much to worry about. If you guys have been following the 99 Bitcoins channel, you also know about Dogeverse. If you're in my Discord, which is linked down below, by the way, Dogeverse, the new hot pre-sale, the pre-sale ends on the 3rd of June. The Dogeverse token claim will be on the 5th of June. So this is really exciting. If you guys want to get into a new 10x potential opportunity here in the meme coin space, check out Dogeverse. There's a timer now, 10 days, 18 hours until Dogeverse is done and dusted. So do your research with the link down below, do your own due diligence. And if you do want to grab some of these awesome Verse tokens, Dogeverse coins, you can connect your wallet and do so with the MetaMask or other DeFi wallet opportunities. So $15 million has been raised. If it does a 10x, it will go to around $200 million. Now remember, this is all speculation. I'm not saying that will indeed pump. It could go sideways. It could even go down. You've got 6 different chains where you can purchase on, and a very, very exciting roadmap where it does hint at the centralized exchanges soon, continued marketing, community incentives. There's going to be, of course, a Bird Eye update and listing, a DEX Tools update and listing. You've only got 200 billion tokens here, unlike, you know, coins like Pepe, which are in the trillions, which is why when they first started trading, they had many, many zeros on the price tag, as you can see right there. So Dogeverse is technically, it can hit $1, even at 0.000031. It can hit $1 based on the tokenomic structure. Pretty bullish on that. And they do also have staking. So if you like staking, at the moment they've got 53% per annum opportunity for locking up. But remember, if you do stake, your original staked tokens will be locked in for 7 days. However, you can withdraw your staking rewards on day 1. Pardon me, a bit gassy. So yeah, overall, Dogeverse looking strong. You can see, you know, King Henry's top wormhole advisor. They have indeed been putting a lot of content out recently, getting a lot of impressions, retweets. They want to be the king of the meme market, as you can see right here, guys. So looks good. 21k followers. Of course, we're seeing growth here for the meme market, and at the end of the day, we just want to see growth all around for the meme market. We want to see Pepe go up. We want to see everything go up. So please do subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube, and if you are new around here, get yourself into the Jacob Burry Discord or Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is just linked down below as well. So let's see what happens for these wonderful markets. See you soon, guys. Stay crypto safe, and thanks for checking out this video on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel.